I'm back again. And guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna try out this new pan we have, the red copper Brownie Bonanza. There's 3 parts to this. The batter separator, the server, and the tray. It's kind of heavy, it's nice, it's made nice. I don't need a knife, I don't have to grease the pan. All I have to do is put the batter in the tray and put the insert in. And then put it in the oven and bake. And we're gonna put it to the test and see if it really works. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients that I need to make these brownies. 4 ounces of unsweetened cocoa squares, 2 sticks of butter, which I already melted all together, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and a cup of nuts. You can use more if you want. If you like nuts, chopped. Now I'm going to put my sugar in the bowl, in the chocolate. And the batter's getting a little thicker. Can you see? It's getting a little thicker. If you think this is too hard to use your muscles for the batter, because you want to make sure all the sugar dissolves, you could use a mixer. Now I'm ready for my eggs. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. Mix it a little bit. Next up is the flour. It's almost there. And now I'm ready for the walnuts. A cup of chopped walnuts. Now I got my tray. I'm going to put my insert in. And now I'm ready to pour my batter in here. Okay. Mom always has to taste the spatula with the spoon. It's good. And now the finale. I hope I get this right. Here it goes. Make sure you get it in the pan. You can't have chocolate. The doctor said no chocolate. Because you're a dog. Ready for the oven, which has been preheated. 350 for about a half hour, and you check the sides start to pull away from the pan. That's when they're ready. Oh wow, look at this. They're all done. Look, they look beautiful. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 brownies. The direction says we have to wait 15 minutes before we take the insert out. So, because otherwise it'll stick. So we have to wait 15 minutes. See you in 15 minutes. So I have my coffee already, and I'm having coffee. And now I'm going to take the insert out. Uh-oh, one didn't come out. But this is our first time. Okay, all done. A little sticky, but maybe I should have waited a few more minutes to get really cool. And then I wouldn't have had such a problem getting them off. But there it is. They're all even, which is nice. Give it a try. Here we go. Wow. Real soft. Real fudgy. You can't have any candy. You're a dog. Dogs don't eat chocolate. I can't eat in front of her. She breaks my heart. I can't eat in front of her. What can I give her? I got something. Wait. Hold on. Apple a day. Apple a day keeps who away? The doctor. I recommend the red copper Brownie Bonanza. I never cut brownies this evenly. They look so pretty. Thanks for watching. Love you all.